Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti, and today's video we are going to talk about AI. We are going to talk that how AI can enhance your app's functionality and your user experience. So if you seriously want to build a successful application, then AI should be and must be the part of your application. So if you seriously want to know each and everything related to it, watch the full video and watch the whole video till the end. So let's get started. So AI is becoming increasingly popular in the world of mobile applications, and this is possible because it's enhancing the experience, it's enhancing the user experience and giving personalized experience to the users which each and every user want. Plus, talking about the market, then the market is estimated to be worth of 6,490 crore by 2025, and it's growing at a rate of 30.5% every year. So you can see that how much the whole market is growing. And if you want an application which gives you everything, which means you can call to your customers directly, we can answer the queries of your customers very quickly, your customers get personalized recommendation, your customers get each and everything personalized, and your daily routine is also being covered by AI. This is the power every business needs right now, and this is not the future of AI, it's the present of AI. And let me show you that here how AI can help you in your application. First is personalized content. So imagine an application that is just made for you. So here AI can study your habits, what you like, what you have watched, what you buy, and after all this suggests what you will love, you will definitely love. So for example, we can take music streaming applications where the application suggests you music based on what you have been listening earlierly. So this makes the feeling of speciality for your users. Your users feel special and they come back again for more. Second is real-time support. Have you ever needed help right away? AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can give you answers quickly, instantly, anywhere, anytime. Here your users get solutions to each and every problem without stopping what they are actually doing. So overall, when you have an AI in your application, then you are increasing the trust of your customers, plus you are increasing the user's experience, making it even more smoother. Next is easier navigation. So sometimes applications can really be confusing or hard. So here AI makes your application very much easier by learning how your users actually interact with the application. Here the AI can suggest new shortcuts, can prioritize the features, or even guide your users. For example, if you are using an AI application, that AI will suggest or prioritize the features you use often, saving your time and your effort. So this kind of navigation make your application much great, making it much seamless and stress-free. And finally, we have enhancing accessibility. So AI makes sure that your application can be used by everyone, including those with disabilities. Features like text reading, image recognition, voice recognition makes your application much more inclusive. For example, AI can read text aloud for visually impaired people, or can even recognize sign language and break the barriers, making your application much more accessible for every one of them. So that's what AI can do. By adding AI, your application becomes much more intuitive, faster, and user-friendly. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket, helping your users at every step. So if you want to add your own AI in your application, or if you want to build an AI application, then feel free to connect to us. Our contact number is given in the description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.